I'm a voice actor and I wanted to really work on my acting skills, because you will find that a lot of actors who are in the movie business, that translates a lot easier in voice acting than learning your acting chops from just the voice acting.
I was looking for fun and creativity in my life. I have never done anything. I've never played an instrument. Well, I played the drums back in the day, but I wanted something to be creative about it. I don't know what to do. I've tried different things. They just didn't stick. They weren't fun. And I'm a type of person that I need things to look forward to.
I'm just naturally like I'm busy. There's always like some type of meeting, and I can go from almost 8 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock at night. I was always like, I want to be able to do arts. I mean, I grew up in performing arts, singing, dancing, and I didn't have a lot of time. So I was originally going for singing online. And then all of a sudden I found a platform that, wait, you can have teachers teach you online. I didn't know that was even possible. And then I found acting. I was like, wait, I forgot that I was a playwright and I actually like acting. And I found Misty and I was like, wait, this is perfect.
The premise that I had in my head was, after watching so many other voice actors, because, I want to know what they're doing, is I need to go learn to act. Not that I'm going to stop what I'm doing right now. I'm still going to do my voiceover stuff, but I wanted to make sure that I could get the information, the instruction, the guidance that I needed. And I was fortunate enough to hit you right off the bat.
So I found Misty, and the rest is history, and Nisha. Because the first class I went to, I just was like, yeah, I'm just going to observe. And Anisha asked me to read, and I'll tell the story all the time. I literally looked around my room like, why not give it a whirl? No one's here. I can read words. And it was instant. I fell in love. It was just the adrenaline, like just the fun. Like, I can do this. We can bring a character. It was like the excitement of bringing the words off the page. I've watched movies and all that, but being on this side, it was just, and I still get that adrenaline rush.
And it just was just a community of people that just love acting. We just love acting. We love performing. We have the ability to act a fool. This is here a community to be able to act. And then it was like, okay, well, you guys are great. You guys are acting. Let's take this to the next level. Let's actually learn some techniques. I understand how to actually think about a character and actually create a character out of nothing, imagination. And now I'm actually using tools. And now I actually feel like an actor.
You were the first one I found. And your enthusiasm, your encouragement, your passion all comes through. And it's made me really want to work on it even more, because it's, I want you to understand that I put stuff into it because you put so much into it.
I'm over here thinking about auditioning for local theaters now, TV shows. We have people that actually got TV show gigs. Why? Because they got a part of the class and was like, oh shoot, I could do it, and booked a TV gig and realized, wait a minute, the stuff that we do in this class is far beyond what we've learned out there, because out there we don't know what these actors are doing. They need some help. They need a Misty class.
It's something that I didn't really realize that I had that much of a passion for. But now it makes me be able to more easily do auditions for new voice acting roles and find characters that I can build from scratch in something else that I'm going to be doing. And I've learned that. And going through each of the different techniques, where we started with Cohen and Chubbuck and Meisner and Stanislavski, going through all those, put so much in your toolbox. You may not use all those tools, but it puts a lot in your toolbox that you can use, and you'll pick up these things and you'll match them together. Oh, this tool works with this tool. It's great to be able to pull those things out of your toolbox and use them to build a great character.
I continue to fall in love with this art after every book. Meisner is, I would say, my favorite so far, then Wagner. And it's just like Dean was saying, I've started a toolbox, and it was pretty small, like my phone at first, but my toolbox is pretty big now, and it's cool. I love it. I love it with all my heart, and I hope to one day get paid to do it. That would be my ideal dream. But it brings love and joy and creativity, and it's because of you, Misty, because you love it so much, and it bleeds out, and I'm so glad to be on the other end of it.